Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a fascinating, efficient, and highly accessible method to lose weight: walking. That's right. The simplest form of exercise is a hidden gem in weight loss. We often underestimate the power of walking, but today, we're going to dig into the crux of it. How many miles do you need to walk each day to lose weight? Well, let's find out together. First, let's clarify why walking is such an outstanding method for weight loss. Walking is a low-impact exercise. What does that mean? It means it's easier on your joints compared to higher-impact activities like running or jumping. Moreover, you don't need any fancy gym equipment or subscriptions, just a pair of comfortable shoes, and you're good to go. This makes walking an accessible exercise for everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. If high-intensity workouts or expensive gym memberships have discouraged you before, then walking might just be your golden ticket to weight loss. Let's get into the science of it. How does walking help you lose weight? It all comes down to the calories. When you walk, your body burns calories to fuel the activity. On average, walking a mile burns approximately 100 calories, though this varies depending on your weight and walking pace. To put this into perspective, consider this. 100 calories equate to a medium-sized apple, a slice of bread, or a handful of nuts. Yes, you heard it right. Just by walking a mile, you could negate the calories from your afternoon snack. So how does this translate into weight loss? How many miles should you aim to walk each day? Well, to lose 1 pound of body weight, you need to burn approximately 3,500 calories more than you consume. If you break this down, to lose a pound a week, you'll need to burn an extra 500 calories a day. This means, in theory, you should walk about 5 miles a day. Now, this might seem a bit intimidating, but remember, this is just a general guideline, and everyone's body responds differently. Let's visualize this with a real-life scenario. Say hello to John. He's been trying to lose weight and decides to kickstart his journey with a 5-mile daily walk. John is a pretty brisk walker, and he completes his 5 miles in about 1.5 hours each day. Alongside his walking routine, he's also mindful of his diet, ensuring he's not overeating. Within a few weeks, John starts noticing changes. He's losing weight. His clothes fit better, he feels lighter, and his energy levels have boosted. This could be your story too. 5 miles a day might seem like a tall order, especially if you're new to regular exercise. But here's the secret. It's not about intensity, it's about consistency. Regularly walking, even at a slower pace or shorter distance, can yield substantial benefits. So don't worry if you can't hit 5 miles right off the bat. Start small, perhaps with a 1-mile walk, and gradually increase your distance as your stamina improves. The key is to make walking an enjoyable part of your daily routine, not a chore. As we journey towards weight loss, it's essential to discuss the importance of nutrition and hydration. While walking helps you burn calories, a balanced diet ensures you're fueling your body with the right nutrients. After all, you can't outwalk a bad diet. Remember to include plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains in your meals. Additionally, staying hydrated is crucial, especially during longer walks or in hot weather. Your body needs water to function optimally, so make sure you're drinking enough throughout the day. Now, the number of miles isn't the only thing that counts. The number of calories you burn also hinges on factors like your walking speed and the terrain you're walking on. For instance, walking uphill or on an uneven surface will challenge your muscles more and hence burn more calories. Why not try mixing up your walking route or pace for a little extra challenge? Plus, combining walking with other forms of exercise and a healthy diet can give you a more comprehensive approach to weight loss. As we gear up to walk our way to weight loss, let's look at some common mistakes to avoid. Many people tend to overestimate the calories burned through walking and reward themselves with larger or unhealthier meals. The key is to maintain a balanced diet regardless of your exercise. Another common pitfall is going too hard too fast. Remember, this isn't a race, it's about creating sustainable habits that will stick. Start slow and steady, listen to your body, and adjust your routine as you get stronger. So, what have we learned today? Walking is an effective, accessible, and enjoyable way to lose weight. Aiming for around 5 miles a day is a great goal, but remember, the most important thing is consistency. Walking can become an enjoyable part of your lifestyle that not only helps you lose weight but also boosts your overall health. Start small, gradually build up your distance, and don't forget to pair your new walking routine with a balanced diet. Every step you take is a step closer to your weight loss goal. It's time to tie up those shoelaces and start your journey. Thank you so much for tuning in. We hope you found this video insightful and are feeling inspired to start walking for weight loss. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, happy walking, and see you in the next video.